Kolt kids. My name is Desi.
My name is Thomas.
My name's Dalton.
My name's Kolt.
And we are doing a science experiment. This is what you'll need. Oil, vase,
Water.
tablet,
This tablet.
and
To dye.
what?
Food
colour.
colour.
Food colour. And we are going to make something.
Might explode.
So we are going to put this in.
Where does the other fucking go, Dad?
Thomas, can you hold your finger where it is? Is it supposed to be there?
Oil's really liquidy.
Yes.
You can see all the bubbles popping up.
Yep. This is the first video I am doing for Bubble Pop Kids.
Popcorn.
Popcorn Kid. I wasn't here in the game videos because I was out. Let's put it in halfway. Stop.
That way?
Good.
That one?
Boom. Whoa.
That one?
Tell you stuff. Keep going. Oh, look. Not too much.
Okay.
Kolt food coloring.
We're coloring 3
Drops.
drops. Open it. I'm holding the vase.
We only need 3 drops because it will stick to the bottom and go all through the liquid.
This is probably one.
That's a lot.
Whoa.
That's fine.
Dalton, Asper. Okay. Move everything out. Move.
I can put it back on.
A tablet.
A tablet.
Guys, everyone a tablet.
Oh. Okay. Just wait. You can see the evaporation at the bottom is coming up.
No, if blue is going into the tablet and then it's rising up.
Have you done
Don't
this
we put
before,
the-
Dalton?
No.
Well, yeah.
Not working.
This is
Oh,
going
look
to be
at
cool.
look
Thomas,
at
no,
it.
He'll squirt you in the face.
You won't squirt me in the face. You won't even squirt.
Do I put another tablet in?
No, no. It's quite good. See the blue starts to come out. Yeah.
Whoa. This is the first experiment I've ever done.
I
This
thought it
is
was gonna
supposed
explode.
This is supposed to be a lava lamp.
It doesn't look like one.
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
of maybe a bit
Whoa.
too much. Can we empty it out and do this, then that, then that, then that?
I think
Maybe you could
That
use,
looks
use
like-
a different
That
food
looks like
coloring.
the earth is getting broken up by and lifting all the pieces up into the air.
I think I'll put a bit much blue in.
That's cool.
It's like it's vomiting. Like,
Oh,
kind of.
That
wait
was a big
until the
blob.
big one comes up.
And it also
Guys.
looks like that a tornado is going around and ripping up the whole earth up to the sky.
Guys, we can't yell
Why?
because.
Look at this. Look at the top. Looks like blue. It looks like blue liquidy bubbles. Sorry about that, cold farted.
What's it supposed to happen?
Just blueberries. What?
Isn't it supposed to go out of the vase?
No.
So-
Blueberries.
This is what happened.
Blueberries.
I'm gonna look from. Can I touch it?
No.
Dad, let's try and put another one in and see what happens.
We are gonna put one more aspirin.
How do you get
First, let's put some a teeny bit. Dalton.
I'll put it in.
Oh my god, I can?
Oh,
Cool. Now it goes up really fast.
Kolt.
Why?
That's enough.
What about some more oil?
No.
Water?
Oh, now it's cycling like a crazy man now. That's enough.
It doesn't even look. It looks like the whole Earth's been destroyed.
Can you see this?
It's fizzing up.
Isn't it? It's a Coke.
I'll move the way and get the list of it.
Can we drink it?
Move the way.
Can we drink it?
No.
If I can do that at home.
Maybe.
The microphone's shaking. It's literally shaking. Are you shaking?
Oh.
Are you shaking?
Can you put it like really close to the water?
Yeah.
No, put it like on top of the water.
No, that one touches the
Don't let touch the water, but
water. Don't.
Can you hear that?
leave a comment down below if you can hear it.
Leave a comment down below if you think this is really cool and it might.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Leave
Don't forget to
or like.
Don't forget to subscribe
And
comment down below what your favorite thing was.
See you
See you